Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can allow people to share your post or reels into their story. So if you have disabled this feature by accidentally, or if you don't know how to enable it again, so you can follow these simple steps. First, you need to click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. And once you've done that, it will lead you to the settings and activity tab. You may scroll down until you find this option which says sharing and reuse. So click on the sharing and reuse option, and here you can see that this toggle has been disabled. That toggle is for posts and reels to stories. So what we gonna do is we will enable this toggle and it will do the trick for us. And once that is enabled, other people or the person will simply be able to share your reels or posts into their story once again. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.